Welcome to Prolight+Sound 2014 in Frankfurt, Germany. This is the Crazy 8. It's a moving head, and it's got these really cool white beam bars on it. There's 8 beams total, 4 in each row. Check this out. Let's give some life to this thing. Look at this. You can make these things do all kinds of neat stuff. Right now it's on a flash. I don't know exactly how this DMX works, but it does some pretty neat movements. You go back and forth, of course. You can tilt all of these however you'd like. It's blinding bright. It's a pretty cool piece. And again, I'm not real familiar with the DMX channels of this thing, but pretty cool stuff. Crazy 8 from ADJ. Look at that. That is too cool.
Ja, auch Crazy Art Voice Restmal der Vortex 12. Das sind auch die neuen Nebelmaschinen, das neue Design. Was ich da bewege, das ist Streamer Beam.